We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive overview of the Stanley Quencher H2.0 Tumbler with handle and straw, a 30-ounce insulated stainless steel cup designed for everyday hydration needs. This tumbler stands out for its advanced flow-state 3-position lid, durable construction, and excellent insulation properties. Users appreciate its ability to keep drinks cold or hot for hours, making it a reliable companion for work, travel, gym, or outdoor activities. The tumbler's narrow base fits most car cup holders, a feature that many find convenient for on-the-go use. The lid offers 3 options: a straw opening with a seal to prevent splashes and hold the reusable straw in place, a drink opening, and a full cover top for added leak resistance. This flexibility caters to different drinking preferences and situations. The Stanley Quencher H2.0 is made from 90% recycled BPA-free stainless steel, emphasizing sustainability without compromising durability. It is dishwasher safe, which simplifies cleaning and maintenance, a welcome feature for busy users. The ergonomic handle adds to its portability, making it easy to carry throughout the day. The tumbler's design is both practical and stylish, with a vibrant hot coral color option that adds a cheerful touch to daily hydration routines. Performance-wise, the double-wall vacuum insulation excels at maintaining beverage temperatures. Users report that cold drinks remain icy for hours, with some noting ice still present by the end of the day. Hot beverages like coffee stay warm and drinkable for up to 8 hours. This performance surpasses many other brands, including some high-priced competitors, making the Stanley Quencher a cost-effective choice without sacrificing quality. One of the unique aspects of this tumbler is its compatibility with laser engraving, which appeals to those who want to personalize their bottle or use it for branding purposes. The smooth stainless steel surface is ideal for detailed, crisp engravings that do not wear off over time. This feature opens opportunities for personalized gifts, corporate giveaways, or simply adding a custom touch to a hydration essential. Users who prioritize hydration volume appreciate the 30-ounce capacity, which encourages increased water intake by reducing the need for frequent refills. The tumbler's size fits well in car cup holders, a significant advantage for commuters. While the tumbler is slightly heavier than plastic alternatives, its robust construction justifies the weight for many. Some users suggest the 32-ounce version as a more portable option if carrying weight is a concern. Cleaning is straightforward due to the dishwasher-safe design, although some recommend hand washing to preserve the color and prevent the handle from developing a musty appearance over time. The wide mouth facilitates easy filling, cleaning, and adding ice cubes. The screw-on lid is preferred by many overpress-in styles for its secure seal and leak resistance. Durability is a strong point, with reports of the tumbler withstanding drops and rough handling without damage. This resilience makes it suitable for active lifestyles, outdoor adventures, and daily use. The handle's comfort grip enhances carrying convenience, and the tumbler's overall build quality reflects Stanley's long-standing reputation for rugged gear. Some users note that the tumbler can spill if not closed properly, but the advanced lid design minimizes leaks when used correctly. The straw option is especially appreciated for cold drinks, providing ease of use without sacrificing spill resistance. In summary, the Stanley Quencher H2.0 Tumbler offers excellent insulation, versatile lid options, sustainable materials, and durable construction. It is well suited for those who want a reliable, large-capacity tumbler that keeps beverages at the ideal temperature for hours. The added benefit of laser engraving compatibility makes it a standout product for personalization or branding. While it may be heavier and larger than some alternatives, the performance and quality justify these aspects for most users. If you own this tumbler, please consider leaving a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The product link is in the description, and using it supports our channel. Overall, the Stanley Quencher H2.0 is a must-have hydration companion for 2025, combining function, style, and sustainability in one package.